Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell. You know what I'm about to say, it's important guys, so you can be notified every time I post a new video. In today's video, I'll be giving you guys a tour of this beautiful property that we are staying for our anniversary. Let us get right into it. Ta-da! So guys, it's a tree house. How cool! This place is a masterpiece. Guys, look at it. So it's tree house logs. Get into the details, guys. So cool. But wait until you see inside. Alright, so over this side you have a hammock. And down there, let me focus it, there's a swing right there. Guys, look at the design. Let me go to the side so you guys can see that it's a tree house. Look. So I could go inside. Ta-da! So beautiful. To the left is the kitchen area. So you get a fridge, a toaster, kettle, you get knife, spoon, pot, plate, cup, everybody. And not to mention everything is so clean and tidy. So you have storage, a lot of storage, a stove, microwave. This is the area where you can eat, and on this side is the living area, guys. So cozy and nice. And I can't believe something in a one tree right now. A AC in a tree, TV, little center table, the couch, the chairs, and right here is a big window. Love this window. Let me open it. Guys, trust me, if you love nature, you'll enjoy staying here. Look how far up we're there. Oh, and guys, did I mention it's a 2-bedroom? So on this side is a bathroom, another bedroom, and the laundry area, and up this ladder is the loft area with 2 beds. I'm gonna go up there, gonna give one a nice little view. And there's another window. Guys, and this is the tree. How cool. Alright, let me come down. Ooh. See if we can focus it. Wanna see outside, or it's too bright. Anyways, it's the skylight. There's a door that brings you to the balcony. Look at the view. And this property is located in a gated community. It don't feel like it though, it just feel like you're off grid. So it gives you a little off grid feeling and a little luxury feeling. I don't know how to explain it. 2 chairs to sit on. This is another window from the bathroom. So when I go to that side, I'll show you guys. Hi! You know what I love? There's sockets everywhere. I want to soon see what I talk about. So imagine sitting from this chair and looking over there with your tea. This is a vibe. This is another beautiful window from the bedroom. We could go back inside so I can show you guys the bedroom. Alright, let us go in the bedroom. You see what I talk about socket? One socket there, so one socket there, so a little side table. You have an AC in the bedroom as well, and also a TV facing the bed, and some storage area, somewhere to hang your clothes, and a mirror. Hi guys. And then behind this door is the bathroom. As Mr. the Tree, I remember when the owner for the property was giving us a tour and they were saying to us that we could pee behind the tree. I mean, I said, where am I talking about? But now I get it, because the toilet is behind the tree. Wanna get it? I hope wanna get it. Anyways, this is the bathroom. I love the windows. Look at the view through the bathroom window. And then this is the window that I was telling you guys about. This is how far up with there. Oh, nice. If you don't love light, blackout curtain. Everything is just well put together. Guys, comment and let me know what you think. The TV in the bedroom, in front of the bed, is a winner. So this is it, guys. And the natural light where you come in, perfect. This is the end of the tour. Guys, isn't this place a masterpiece? Everything is well put together, clean and tidy. If you love nature like me, peace and tranquility, you just want to escape but in a safe community, book them. call them. I'm gonna put the information to this beautiful tree house in my description box, and I'm also gonna pin it in my comment section. Call them, it's worth it. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me, road to 100k. I love you guys, bye.